Alright guys, the new Gorilla Tag update is out. We've been waiting like 45 minutes for it. It's supposed to come out like 45 minutes ago, but still, it's okay. It's out right now. My game just crashed because it disinstalled. And we're going to get on it. Okay, I haven't really watched any videos about this update or know anything about it. I know there's like flood or something. Okay. What? Ambush? Hunt isn't limited time. Look at these weird looking games. What are those? What the heck? Why is there a shark? What? Okay, what's it say? Become a shark. Dive into caves with our exciting new Shark Rose Max. Watch out, you're not alone in the water. Check out the splash and dash like monkey in an ambush. You escape the chase or be caught. Okay, so. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in forest. Alright, I'm gonna join our code. Okay, so it is pretty laggy. Like, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm lagging a lot. Whoa. There's a bunch of camping stuff. Okay. Okay. There's a bunch of stuff. That's so cool. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a bunch of tents and stuff. There's a trampoline! Woo! There's targets and stuff. That's pretty cool. There's these tents. Whoa, with my coolers and stuff. Summer camp. This is a nice summer camp. We got the barbecue. Okay. Let's check out some other maps. I want to do caves last. Whoa. Whoa, there's like trees and stuff. There was a monkey air balloon. That monkey looks kind of weird, but that's okay. Oh, look at all these chairs. This is a nice chair. Is that a slide? Oh, it's a slide. Okay. Oh no! Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, that was pretty anticlimactic, but okay. It's a shark balloon. That hot shark balloon. The hot balloons. Okay. So, let's check out city. Okay. And then at the end of the video, we'll check out this. No! 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 That will be missed. Okay. Here we go. One. Whoa! What is this stuff? There's a new drone thing. That's cool. What is this? More muscles. Whoa, that's pretty cool. It's like a surf thingy. Hammerhead. Free badge, we need that. Okay. Let's go ahead and purchase our free badge. Okay. Let's check out this stuff. Okay. So we got the free badge. Oh, I like jiggles. A little bit. Well, look at the eyeballs. That's funny. Got a surfboard. Finger puppets. Muscles. Whoa. Wow. My arms are ripped. Oh my gosh. Oh. And then finally we got the plane. Ah, it died. It's still the same. What? That's odd. That's kind of interesting. Did they decorate mountains? Yes, they did. And the ice looks pretty weird. Why does it look like that? Actually, though, why does the ice look like that? Okay. Here we go. Let's go down here. Okay. There's a bunch of stuff. I like this slide. This slide's pretty cool. Like, better secret tunnel. I don't want to go. Help me! Help me! Okay. And then you can go back down. There's like ice bath thing. It's pretty weird. It's like an ice bath. Okay. Let's go. There's like a circle on the leaderboard. The leaderboard also looks different. I don't know why. It looks different. Okay. Okay, here we go. Going in the shark head. Okay. Here we go. Whoa! What is this? The crystals is blue. Here. Whoa. There's a shark. Can I pet the shark? Why is... There's a computer? Oh wait, they moved the computer. Oh, yeah. Can I like pet the shark? Where's the shark? Mr. Shark, where are you? Come here, shark. Come here. He has a collider on him. Can I grab on there? You can. Bro, I'm riding the shark. Okay. Alright, so now we are going to check out these new game modes. So we can do ambush first. Let's check it out. What am I brown? What am I supposed to be doing?
Black, come back here, Black. Get bubbly naked. You gotta get bubbly naked right now. What the heck?
Oh, okay.
Blue, yeah, because they can't see you if you're bubbly naked because they can see your cosmetic. Oh, fuck. How do you play? How do you play this mode?
Yeah,
So basically, you see him? He's invisible. We can see your cosmetics. That's the problem. Bro, literally,
So do you try to tag us? Because they try to tag us?
yeah, you try to tag people.
Oh no. Oh, am I invisible now?
Oh my god, bro, I'm about to shoot your ass.
Am I invisible now?
Wait, what? No, now everybody that's invisible can see you, but the normal people can't. But they can see your car.
So it's like
Take off.
So it's like infection, but the taggers are invisible. But these guys about to be tagging me. No, I got tagged. No. Bro, this is so hard. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. Alrighty. That's it for today's video. You should like this video and you should subscribe to my channel, because I would appreciate it if you did. But yes, that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Subscribe for another video. Goodbye.